The Nationalist Congress Party is at crossroads after the UPA's poll drubbing. Sharad Pawar led a party meeting to find out what went wrong for the party in Maharashtra. More crucially, Pawar will need to take a call on future strategy if he wants his party to avoid complete irrelevance in the political scene for the future.
NCP will do a post-mortem of its disastrous showing in the recently concluded general polls. Top NCP leaders will assemble at the residence of Ajit Pawar to decipher the mandate. Apart from fixing cause of the complete, the NCP will also strategize for the coming assembly polls. A crushing defeat has created a rift in the Congress-NCP combine. Many NCP leaders claim that the Congress had not been consulting it on key policy issues.
The whole political process in UPA 2 broke down. It was only reduced to the Congress party thinking that they are the sole custodians of the government. Mr. Sharad Pawar and myself, we had even voiced our differences. We had not attended a few cabinet meetings, only to register a point. All I can say is that we were never part of a political dialogue. I can understand we may not be big party, we cannot be the, calling the shots on everything, but of course we all needed to be involved in the process.
After the Lok Sabha poll rout, more bad news may be in store for the Congress-NCP combine. The BJP Sena won a whopping 42 out of the 48 Lok Sabha seats, while the NCP and Congress could jointly win only 6 seats. If the trend continues, the Saffron combine can easily get around 225 seats out of the 288 seats. The Sharad Pawar-led party's task is now cut out. With the NDA virtually shutting the doors, Pawar's options are limited. To avoid a complete rout, the NCP may wish to split from the UPA to contest state polls independently. Pawar may also consider seeking more seats from the Congress if he chooses to stay on with the UPA. As a last resort, Pawar may also consider merging his outfit with Congress. With Amrita Sherge in Mumbai, Bureau Report, Headlines Today.